Well then, Ste and Tommy, we're here in Southport, my good man. Are you ready to have a scrumptious breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh yes, absolutely. I think we can get across.
Full Monty, I think.
Oh, definitely, yeah, absolutely.
We'll prepare with a car in a minute. Alright.
Here we go, Pod's Cafe Bar. Lovely place this. I think you'll enjoy it, Ste. I think you'll enjoy it, eh mate?
I hope so, yeah.
Oh, you will. So look at all these birds here. Swans, geese, ducks, gulls, and all sorts here. Now the Pleasure land is supposedly at the moment only open at weekends. So I would imagine that will be the case until May or June when the proper summer season kicks off here. Anyway, we're nearly there now, nearly at the entrance. Oh, look at that! Look at that view! Isn't that beautiful though? Wow! Oh. I love it, absolutely love it. It's brilliant. We're playing something more, something more. Yeah, excellent. Coming up on the main gate now. Here we are. The main gate. Oh, alright, here we are. So, Any second night we'll be being
Dropped off.
and see what can be done. Behind us. Behind us. Thank you.